Today I am 4 months old. Say hello. And I love my little jumperoo. Go on, reach for your toys. Are you sleepy? You just woke up. There you go. Spin your little duckies like you were doing before. Get that other arm up there. There you go. See, I can't quite touch the floor yet, but I'm almost there. I can get my toes on it. You're awfully quiet today. There you go. I got me some corn. What you doing, baby? Where'd your other arm go? You want some help? Where's your other arm? Oh, there it is. Say I'm holding on. There it is. You gonna put it back in there? See, I'm just looking around now, just checking it out. Mr. Inquisitive. You gonna talk a little bit? Good job. Good job. What's that toy? What's that toy you got? Got a tomato?